right, Google Classroom tip number 8, which is using emojis to help with organization. So, did you know that we can actually add emojis to our titles of those topics and assignments to create a really visually appealing classroom, but also to make it a little bit easier for our students to be able to find what they're looking for. So if we'd like to do that, we just literally head over to our 3 dots, we rename, and then we would pop our emoji in there. So maybe we say to our students, all right, we're looking for the love heart emoji, which is module 3. So can you head over to Google Classroom, head to the classwork tab, and we are looking for the topic called love heart module 3. And then your students know that they are looking for a love heart. Maybe it's a red love heart, a green love heart, a blue love heart, but it's really easy for them to be able to find by looking for that singular emoji visual so that they're able to know exactly what they need to be working on. You can also do this when it comes to adding material to your topics, creating your assignments. All right, there are so many ways that you can use emojis in Google Classroom to help your students find what they need to find. So have some fun. Another fantastic tip when it comes to using Google Classroom.